IAM AWS is the first step to believe that we are AWS engineer. Identity and access management in AWS. We have identity everywhere, right from school, colleges, office, wherever we go, we have an identity. In school days, I am provided an identity as student. With this identity, it also comes with certain rules and permissions, certain permission and policies of school that needs to be followed. Teacher has certain policies and permission attached to them. As per the policy and permissions, I cannot enter into certain restricted area and I cannot enter to other students, other classes to sit and study. In AWS, identity and access management is a service to manage all the users, groups, roles, permissions and policies in AWS ecosystem. In software industry, especially in AWS, identity and access management plays the major role. It is a global service and it is free of cost. We can add as much users as we want. We can add users into groups as students, teachers, staff. In case of software industry, it is engineers, developers, testers, operations team, maintenance team, and lot more stuff. All these groups or users, they get their specific permissions to be done. Developers get permissions to access only to the services that is required for developers. They don't get right access to all the services or all the environments. Testers have their own permissions. Likewise, identity and access management is a service that plays vital role in Amazon Web Service. Stop scrolling. When you see me, more exciting videos are loading for you.